Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In this additional of today's newspaper on Friday, January the 26th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, the binary, and it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 7880. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 13 printed digits. Could be the hard one, could be the easy one. But the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. So I don't think it's a hard one, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yes. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always one. I see here only one single box. Yeah, only one single box, always a one. Next question, do we have here dual box? Contains the 1 and the 2. I see here one dual box. The 1 is already given, so this box will be a 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here a triple box, only one triple box. Well, cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. Okay. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Let me check for quadra boxes. Here we have a quadra box. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need more information. Here also a quadra box. Cannot fill this yet. Need more information. Here also a quadra box. Well, this box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 4 or a 5 here. Okay. It cannot be a 5 because it's a quadra box. Should be a 4 then. Yeah, in quadra box, there's no number 5 in the quadra box. Okay, so this box should be a 4 then. All right. More quadra box, more T shapes. No. Then the following shape. How about the Z or the S construction? Let me draw this here. When you see the Z or the S construction, if you rotate this to the right side, you will get the S. And when you flip this, or mirror this shape, then you will get the Z. It's the same shape. Alright, when you see the Z or the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Yeah, let me draw the L shape here. It's mirrored, this one, the L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Yeah. So in this case, it's a 1 here. No. Okay, more L shapes here, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, more. No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How? Oh, wait. This box. Same number as that box. Okay. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, do you have more of this kind of shapes? Let me see. No, only one. Yep. Then the following shape. How about this shape? And we draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes in this puzzle. Yes, here. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And here another one. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, okay. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box. Should be there. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is connected with that box. Should be so 1 or a 3. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. Then. Yeah. Well, I don't think this box should be a 1. If it's a 1, that means that those 3 boxes can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. And I need a 1 in this area. Yeah. Should be a 3 then. Alright. Is connected with that box. Should be so 3. 1 box left in this triple box for number 1. Okay. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 5. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 1. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Okay. Here. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, but also that box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. This box can be a 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely 5. Then 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 3. Let me mark those. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So only 1 place left for the 1 in this area should be there. So the 4 and the 5 are left here. Let me mark those. Okay. I think this box should be 2. Because in this quadra box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. Should be a 2. Can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. And can be a 4. Yes, definitely 2. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Okay. Then this box can be 4. These two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this S construction. Should be there. This box can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. Well. 1, 2. Let me think. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left with 2 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, and this box can be 1. Okay. Let me see. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. And this box cannot be a 1 because we have a double 1 there and a double 3 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be here. Is connected with that box, should be also 1. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then let me think. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then let me see. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes with a 4 and a 5. I don't think it's a 5 because if I place a 5 here, then I cannot fill any 5 in one of these 3 boxes, and I need a 5 in this L-shaped area. Should be a 4 then, okay. So 1 box left in this area for number 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me think. 1 and 3. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. And this box can be 1. We have a double 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. Okay, that means that this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay, need a 3 here. Well. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Well. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this S construction should be here. And I've eliminated here the 2. So the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this S construction for number 5 is connected with that box, should be also 5. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and 5, We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 1. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left with 3 in this quadra box should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 4. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be 3 and is connected with that box should be also 3. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Here also 4 and 5. 4 and 5. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes and then. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left with 3 in this L-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 5. Well, now we have a double 5 there. That means that this box can be 5 in more. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4. And 1 box left in this area for number 5. 4 and 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 1 box left in this area for number 4. Finished in 60 minutes. Well. I'm pleased with the time. Not the 4 stars, not the 3 stars. It's a 2 stars puzzle. I'm faster than 20 minutes. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow. Yes, it's a weekend. Until then, bye-bye for now.